Hi everyone, my name is Keith Brooks and this is Brooks' channel, and for today's video I've got another new snack I'm going to try out. This time we have a Blue Bunny Loaded Sundaes Bakery, brookie flavor. Got that right here. Yeah, I'm really a big fan of these Blue Bunny Loaded Sundaes. I've been eating them for a few years now. And my personal favorite ones are the chocolate brownie bomb. And I also like the bunny tracks, the caramel one. Let's see what else. The cookie crunch and fudge flavor too. And I found this one at the store earlier today, and it was one I had never seen before, and I figured I'd try it out. Now, according to this, these brookie flavored loaded sundae bakery ones are vanilla flavored frozen dairy dessert, cookie dough swirls, fudge brownie swirls, cookie dough pieces, fudge brownie pieces, fudge bunnies, and artificially flavored added. Well, pretty neutral on the artificial flavor stuff, but everything else is something I'm pretty big on. So, we're gonna see how it all comes together. Alright, let me get this open right here. Here we go. Here is a look at the inside. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, face value looks pretty standard. So I'm gonna get my spoon out. A little plastic one. Alright, now let's see how this tastes. Try and get as much of everything as I can. Okay, good start. Yeah, this tastes really good. Okay, let's see. Sorry, I'm not saying much. I'm just really enjoying this. Really like how it tastes when everything all comes together. Like when I get it all at once. Just trying to come up with the words to describe it properly. One sec, take a quick drink. Finish this up after this. But yeah, this is really good. Yeah, I've had like brookies themselves, the brownie cookies, if I remember right. Had them a few times and they always taste really good. So seeing one in ice cream form, I had a feeling I was gonna like this a lot. The way like the cookie dough and the chocolate and everything else all comes together. They're in my mouth. I just really like it. I'm a big ice cream fan, as you could probably tell. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get this again. Now, comparing it to the other Blue Bunny loaded sundaes I've had, excuse me, I'd probably still say the chocolate brownie bomb is my favorite, but this being a very close second. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up so I can get to the rest of the sundae before it starts to melt. Yeah, and so I'm just gonna end the video here. And as always, please let me know your thoughts about this more in the comments. Have you ever had one of these Blue Bunny loaded sundaes before? Whether it be the Brookie loaded sundae bakery one or any of the others. And if so, which one is your favorite? And if you haven't, would you consider getting one after this? And with that, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.